Hey, have you ever heard of the term differentiation? No? Okay, maybe dy dx. Still no? Okay. Maybe I've heard of the gradient. Okay, we can start from this line has a special property which is called the gradient, which is just the steepness of the line. And we find the gradient by getting the rise, how much the line has risen, which is also termed as the increase in y, divided by the run, which is the increase in x. Right there is how we find the gradient of the line. Okay, now let's move on and let's talk about drawing tangents and finding the gradients of each point is kind of tedious. So we need to use differentiation, which is the process of finding a certain function which is going to give you other gradients. So we represent this as dy dx, or the gradient function. Y is equal to x raised to the power of 2. So the gradient function of this line is going to be dy dx. That's going to give us 2x. So suppose we have an equation y equals ax raised to the power of n. In order for us to find the dy dx, or the gradient function, we need to multiply a by n, the power by the coefficient, and then we're going to reduce the power by 1. Yeah, and that's how we find the gradient function. So in that case, where it was x raised to the power of 2, multiply 1 by 2 and then reduce 2 by 1.